Ice fishing season is here, and the right drill setup can make or break your day on the ice. Welcome to the countdown to the top 5 drills you can pair with an ice auger for smoother, faster holes. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill for ice auger that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Nordic Legend Hardware Ice Drill Auger. This model stands as a bridge between rugged field reliability and practical design for ice fishing enthusiasts who demand consistent performance in varied ice conditions. What sets this auger apart starts with its chassis. Built from hardened steel that resists quivering under heavy torque and keeps the cutting edge aligned as you work a hole through thicker crust. The point of the bit is shaped to bite cleanly without snagging, reducing the likelihood of vibrations that can kick back through the shaft and fatigue your wrist on long sessions. In the field, you notice the balance of the unit. Weight distributed toward the cutting zone so you can keep a smooth arc without overextending your forearm. The blades themselves are designed with a stepped or staggered geometry that concentrates cutting force where it matters and then evacuates chips efficiently, which translates to faster holes with less wandering. Finish is a corrosion-resistant coating that protects against moisture and the occasional splash from slush during a cold snap. Users appreciate the simplicity of the quick attach mechanism that allows you to swap between drill sizes or even switch to spare blades if you're chasing multiple hole diameters in a single outing. Your ability is complemented by a straightforward maintenance routine. Rinse, dry, and lightly oil the joint to prevent seizing in freezing temperatures, and inspect the edge for nicks that could worsen chatter. Handling is forgiving for beginners, yet robust enough for seasoned anglers who push their tools to the limits on backcountry ice. This model can pair with common cordless drills, so you can leverage existing battery life without carrying a dedicated heavy unit. In adverse weather, you'll still feel confident because the ergonomic grip locks in place and offers enough traction even when your gloves are damp or frozen. While a full kit can include extra blades, the core value lies in the reliability of the core auger itself and its proven ability to maintain a straight punch through stubborn ice without requiring constant readjustment. Paired to the Nordic Legend Lite E-Drill, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the hardware ice drill auger prioritizes raw cutting reliability and edge retention over powered assist, making it a dependable choice for mid-season to late-season ice with variable density. At number 4, we have the Nordic Legend Lite E-Drill. This item introduces an electric-assisted approach that translates manual effort into controlled, consistent rotation with less wrist strain. The adapter is engineered to fit snugly into standard power drills, converting a common 12-volt or 18-volt platform into an efficient hole-making tool without requiring a full purpose-built engine. Standout feature is the drum-like speed control that keeps the auger turning at a measured pace, which helps you avoid overshoot and maintains a clean edge on the hole walls. Carbide-tipped blades are still at the heart of the design, delivering durable cutting performance that resists dulling even after repeated use in gritty ice or mixed snow conditions. E-Drill version also benefits from an integrated balance system that dampens vibration and reduces fatigue after long driller sessions. The handle remains ergonomic, with a soft grip surface that stays comfortable when you're pressing through the ice in cold winds, and there's a modest amount of side-to-side flexibility to track the hole's centerline as you work from an upright stance or from a seated position inside a shelter. One consideration with electric-assisted systems is the potential of battery drain under heavy loads, so the kit commonly includes guidance on battery management and charge scheduling for multi-hole days. Safety features emphasize an auto-stop approach when the bit registers resistance beyond a threshold, and the clutch is designed to prevent kickback that could throw the tip off center. Ultimate users appreciate that this option reduces strain on the arm while maintaining control over speed and cut depth, making it a good choice for anglers who fish in cooler climates or who value precision over brute cutting power. Paired to the Nordic Legend Hardware Ice Drill Auger, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Lite E-Drill offers a powered edge and more consistent hole diameters at the expense of requiring a compatible drill and battery platform. At number 3, we have the Nordic Legend Hardware Lite E-Drill Combo. This combination pack fuses the rugged reliability of a mechanical auger with the versatility of electric-assisted cutting, giving you 2 paths to hole creation depending on ice conditions and personal preference. Mechanical component shares the same strong steel body and sharpened blade geometry that ensure clean entry and quick chip evacuation, delivering predictable performance when ice density is high or when you need a precise hole for hinge-lid shelters. Combo portion adds a modular adapter that lets you pair the auger with various drill bits or to swap to the electric E-Drill system when you're facing soft or slushy ice that benefits from consistent rotation speed. With this kit, you have the option to switch midday if you encounter a thicker crust or wetter surface that slows manual rotation. The quick-release collar and alignment marks help you reseat the blade alignment with minimal downtime. Protective features include a locking mechanism to prevent blade drift and a watertight seal around the drive area to resist moisture infiltration, which is particularly important when you're working near slush or spray from chop. The blades themselves are engineered for fatigue resistance, with a geometry designed to maintain a sharp bite through grit or small random obstacles that occur near the edge of a hole. Maintenance focuses on keeping the joint clean, applying a light coat of oil to reduce rust, and inspecting the edge for nicks after each deep drill. The combo kit is especially valuable for anglers who want a do-anything tool that will behave predictably whether they're hand cranking or using power. Compared to the generic Auger drill bit, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this combo stands out for its modularity and its ability to adapt to 2 cutting paradigms without sacrificing balance or edge quality. At number 2, we have the generic Auger drill bit. This piece represents a straightforward, no-frills option that focuses on core auger performance without tying you to a specific brand ecosystem or a particular drill format. The bit itself is constructed from tempered steel that resists wear, with a geometry designed to cut through compact ice while still pulling out chips efficiently through the center shaft. Its simplicity is its selling point. Fewer moving parts mean fewer points of failure, and compatibility with a broad range of standard drill chucks makes it accessible to most ice fishermen who already own a cordless drill. While the cutting edge is well-shaped for dependable entry, the lack of a highly engineered blade geometry can translate to a bit slower initial bite in very dense ice, or when the hole diameter is larger than typical settings. Nevertheless, the design emphasizes durability and ease of maintenance. You can swap blades easily and keep a spare on hand as insurance for long trips. In practice, the generic bit shines on shorter, rapid holes, great for quick checks of water depth or when you need to move frequently between fishing spots. Users who value budget-conscious choices and broad compatibility will find this a solid baseline tool, especially if weather conditions are forgiving. When paired with a robust drill and well-maintained blades, its performance remains solid and predictable, enabling consistent results across a day of fishing. Paired to the Garden Tools Auger bit, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the generic option trades a bit of specialization for broader compatibility and lower upfront cost, appealing to casual users who want reliable performance without a premium price. At number 1, we have the Garden Tools Auger bit. This top pick prioritizes a blend of aggressive cutting geometry, durability, and practical maintenance that makes it a favorite for many ice anglers who want reliable results in a variety of ice conditions. The blade profile is crafted to bite quickly into the ice, producing clean edges with minimal tearing, which matters when you're building a sheltered hole for a client or for a long fishing session in windy weather. The bit is designed for endurance with a thick-walled shaft and a robust connector that tolerates repeated engagements with a standard drill chuck. As you use it, you notice how the weight distribution and the balance reduce fatigue during all-day drilling. This helps you keep a consistent centerline as you work from a perched stance or from a bench chair. Carbide-tipped edges are common in this class and help resist dulling when you encounter gritty ice or compact ice layers that can otherwise slow cutting. The bit is also designed with ease of maintenance in mind. The blades are replaceable, spare blades can be swapped in minutes, and you can clean the bit quickly after a day on the ice to prevent rust from forming in the joints. Compatibility is broad, allowing you to use most standard drills with a 3/8 or 1/2 inch chuck, which makes it practical for many households without needing specialized adapters. This top-tier option stands out for its combination of aggressive cutting, manageable weight, and straightforward upkeep, offering a reliable tool for a full season of ice fishing. Paired to the Nordic Legend Hardware Lite E-Drill Combo, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Garden Tools Auger bit focuses more on raw bite and long-term durability rather than dual-mode operation, delivering a single-purpose performance that